This brand is made in Mexico by RQRM Manufacturing for Fujitsu General, and the units are sold through dealers in the USA and Canada. All of the models feature louvered panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage, as well as powder-coated paint and rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking nice for years to come. They have durable scroll compressors and microchannel coils for a more compact unit. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 15 kilowatts to provide supplemental heating, but they are somewhat noisy with a sound rating of 76 decibels. The units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32, and their guarantee is not as good as many brands as it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The RQPM 14-seer and RQRM 16-seer models are for slab mounting with horizontal air discharge, while the RQPL 14-seer models can be roof or slab mounted and are field convertible from downflow to horizontal airflow.